Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 4 of How to Code in HTML. Today we're going to be working on tags, also called text additions, to our text. If you did not learn how to do this page style command, which we did in episode 3, I strongly recommend it. But if you don't care about that kind of stuff, that's perfectly fine. Anyways, let's get into this video. So first of all, we're going to start with how to do italicize text using the p-style command. And it's extremely easy, luckily. In fact, it's literally just 7 letters in total. So we're just going to do a caret I caret in the front of the p-style command. And then near the end, we're going to do caret slash p. Oh, not p, sorry. I was reading the p for some reason. Caret. So we got our italic command at the beginning, which is going to say like start the italicize, and we got the slash italicize, which is going to end the italicize. So we got next, we can see our text being italicized. I chose to actually do this video on our website instead of on the normal code, just so you guys can get instant feedback on what it's going to look like and things like that. Just to help you guys out there. Next up, we're going to do bold text. So if you want your text to be a little aggressive or you want to highlight something in a way, that's what you're going to do right now. So we're just going to change the I to a B. Now, technically, if you want to, if you want your text to be italicized and bold, you can just do like that. You can just keep on adding stuff onto it. But I don't want my thing to be too big, so I'm just going to stop that. I'm just going to continually just rewrite letters, because I put a few of these. So this text is going to be italicized, and it's going to be bold. So you can kind of see what that looks like. Well, it also has like a lot of other additions, because we had in episode 3, but, you know. Anyways, now let's say we want to underline our text. Well, instead of I, we're going to make it U for underline. And we're going to go over here and change it. And then, boom, it's underlined. Like I said, guys, this is going to be like an extremely easy part here. Now, I think this is actually the last thing we're going to be doing. But you can also make your text straight, which just simply means that there's going to be like a line into it. Just because I think it'd be like a little funny, I think I'm going to do change the bold here. And it's just going to be a caret, S caret, and then, of course, near the end here, it's going to be caret slash S caret, and then, boom. And that's literally it for this episode. I wish it was a little bit longer, honestly, because it's not going to do well at all, I'm sure. But, I mean, I don't want to waste your guys' time. It's literally that easy.